so amazing, man. So incredibly good. Wow. Look at the floor, also the floor is lighted up. It feels like you're walking on the air. I'll tell you something, when you not use this much light, now it's so flashy, I get really dizzy. Not here, here's okay, because it's very calm, but in the other room was like too much flashy lights and it felt like I was falling. So cool. Oh, let's get ready for the real stuff. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. So beautiful. I cannot describe to you, it's like floating in time. It doesn't even feel real right now. Like it looks so good. Oh, look at the color change. Amazing. It's incredible how it looks. You know, this is all too fluffy.
No splash.
This is rain. So nice. Do not go. You will never turn back. Now we can paint something really good. Let's see and have a look. We got it. It's Johnny Uncut.
It looks so good.
It's crazy, huh? So this is the finished result. Johnny Uncut. Subscribe if you like it. We got Johnny Uncut here. Oh, he's hurt. Oh, what's going on?
It's dying.
Ah, yeah.
No, no.
No, no, no.
Yeah.
Big steps. That is fun. It's very good. Oh shit. So crazy. So guys, if you didn't do, it will be the world for me if you subscribe and leave a like. Thank you very much. Bye bye.